our crew chief, Tom Washington, and Sheree Mitchell. And away we go from downtown Phoenix. In the game on Tuesday. Immediate cut down the lane. And quick introduction from Mr. Wembanyama to Devin Booker. Michelle cues it up from the corner.
He's been sitting up here, standing up that is, for the last 2 minutes.
So unable to navigate into the paint, and it's a quick 7-0 lead here. And Wembanyama up, kicks it into the corner to Okogie, can't connect on the three. Suns ice cold to start. Wembanyama sprints the floor, gets the payoff pass, and a 9-0 start here for San Antonio. Played just 38 games last year due to arthroscopic knee surgery. He's certainly looking healthy here early. Durant with a pull-up, and finally the fans able to take a seat. And turnovers once again rearing their ugly head with a beautiful pocket pass and a run to the rim from Grayson Allen.
It's a drop roll.
On the drive and kick, Durant for three, yes. Good transition defense there by the Spurs, but Durant knifing his way inside, gets the finish and the foul.
Smart play there by KD, you know.
Speaking of 7, a 7-0 run as Kevin Durant pulling out his surgeon's kit here over the last 2.5 minutes. But Collins,
you got to really respect him in the paint.
Eubanks tight up there on the baseline, throws a shoulder into Collins, looking for the and one, and he'll get it.
That time rushed it.
Here is Osman. He'll line up the three, and he'll stick his second one. Yes, he can.
You got to respect him.
Standing on his tiptoes, able to tap it away from the 7-footer Durant. And get to his teammate, Durant with the quick hands, gets the steal, but the Suns unable to control. And it sets up a lay-in for Wembanyama. Jones on the drive and kick with Sell. Nice contest there by Jordan Goodwin. On the outlet, up ahead to Booker. Touch pass, Goodwin. Yuta Watanabe. Hits across the paint. Goodwin tied up there by good defense from Jones. Here is Gordon. Step back three on the way. Rattles it in the face.
That's the dangerous teams that you play against, that you know you have to be 100% ready.
Gordon gets the pass. Eyes the three. That one off the mark. Out to Booker looking for his first points, and he gets him there on the triple.
When you're in that kind of groove, it's hard to beat anybody.
Hard to stop that at 7 feet 3.5 inches on Tuesday. And San Antonio not only knocking down the shots, but they're grabbing all the Suns' misses. As Wembanyama's baseline turnaround up and in. Timeout Phoenix.
And you know when he starts to get aggressive offensively and it's going, the confidence is there.
Booker with a pull-up three. Splash down. Playing time has been limited thus far. Zach Collins connects on another three. My goodness. Yeah, that is inexcusable. There is no doubt about that. Off a made free throw. Nurk going to try his hand in the three-point contest, and why not? Knocked down a career best 43 threes last season. Now comes up with a defensive gem.
Smart play there, though, by Nurk.
Even smarter as he finds Bates Diop inside on the baseline slam. Durant thought about the three, running Wembanyama. Tangled up there, no foul call. And plenty of contact. Wembanyama runs the floor, hammers it home. Here is Brandon with that left hand. Swings it out to Wembanyama all alone. Got it. Eubanks tangled up. Johnson extended defense. Booker goes right around him on the drive to the basket. Inside right-hand finish.
Got to get back defensively here. And trust me, they would have loved to end this quarter with a three.
Wembanyama walking into the three, and he will get it. We saw him have to shoot that fadeaway the other night. There is Sohan, who was handcuffed with 3 fouls late in the half, but motors right down the lane.
I want you guys to put your head down. I want you to get to the rim and see if you can get some fouls. And that is the way you hang on to a lead.
Nurkic with a beautiful pocket pass from Booker. That one's short. Good defense by Durant.
Yeah, KD got there in time to knock him off stride.
Booker gets into Sohan, gets it up and gets it in. Good to see Trey Jones back on the floor after he took a shot in the chin. Another corner three downloaded. This one for Branham. 14 of 23 shooting for San Antonio.
They've come out and they've added to their lead.
Booker raising up, rattles it in from straight away.
You shouldn't be hesitant against Collins.
Keldon Johnson inside left hand, strong finish. Finds double team attention. Watanabe with a touch pass. Swings it to Allen. Sets. Fires. Won't get that one. Back tap to Grayson. Cues it up again. Won't miss a second time. For Kev in his 25 minutes. Wembanyama thought about the three. He'll go for the lob. In traffic over the top. The Suns are in need of multiple stops. Wembanyama just effortless inside.
Suns have flirted with this 18 points.
Booker on the drive on Johnson. Whipples the pass to Durant. Corner three. Yes!
Stay in front of them.
See if they can get some stops.
Can't do that.
Wembanyama able to get on the baseline.
Can't do it. Just make him shoot over the top of you.
Durant squeezing it in before Wembanyama could get back defensively. Johan looking inside. Booker's got to be careful as Wembanyama.
Eubanks has to get back.
Kogi comes out high, gets a double screen, raising up for three. Booker splashdown. You don't think he'll foul out this year? Booker on the spin.
A little stagnant right here with Devin off on the weak side.
Bates Diop. Sneaks it up and in between Collins and Wembanyama somehow. 10-15 games. Booker working on Jones. Gets to the left hand, gets the contact, and the finish with a foul. Booker trying to clear some space, gets the screen from Eubanks. Rising up, straight away three. Booker goes! Playing without Devin Vassell, though, is a big loss for them. Sideline with a groin injury. Collins able to sneak his way down the lane, gets it up and in. Eubanks bobbles. 5 on a shot clock. Bates Diop inside, tough leaner off the glass for the former San Antonio Spurs. Booker drops it off to Eubanks. Little double clutch, up and over the top.
I like Eubanks, you gotta go for it.
Sohan on the drive, blocked away by Durant. Suns in transition. Booker drops it off to KBD, who thunders it home. Osman with 13 points off the bench. Durant raising up, straight away three. Money! A 1-point game. Wembanyama facing up. KBD trying to body him. Drops it in traffic to Sohan. Circles back around, gets into the paint. Durant turns the corner, spins inside, runs into Wembanyama. Touch pass, KBD, corner three. Yes, sir! We are tied at 1-6
in the fourth quarter. That's not going to work.
Collins backing down, spins baseline, passing in traffic to Wembanyama, who hammers it home. Timeout Phoenix. Suns 16 of 31. San Antonio 17 of 35. Collins gets loose in the paint, running over Eubanks.
See, this is when it feels a big enough lead to be able to withstand it, to be able to execute here down the stretch.
Wow. My goodness. On a catch and shoot from Wembanyama. Diop all over Keldon Johnson as we go under a minute. Here's Zach Collins, who has played an outstanding game. Drops it off to Jones. Timeout Phoenix. Here on the road. They will improve to 3-2, 2-1 on the road. The Suns will slip to 2-3, 1-2 here on their home floor.